In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the sitemap of your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. This is an essential task for website owners looking to optimize their SEO and ensure their site is easily discoverable by search engines. So let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to visit Squarespace. Simply type Squarespace into your preferred web browser and hit enter. You'll be directed to their official homepage, where you can begin the process of accessing your sitemap. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which should be easy to find, and give it a click. This is your gateway to getting into the backend of your Squarespace site where all the magic happens. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account for a quicker and more secure login process. Go ahead and select Continue with Google. Following that, you'll need to select your Google account from the available options. Make sure you choose the Google account that's associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any login issues. Next, you need to navigate to your specific Squarespace site. If you have more than one site under your account, be sure you're selecting the correct one. You can do this by going to your Squarespace dashboard. Upon locating your website in the Squarespace dashboard, you'll need to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find an arrow or a settings icon. Click on it. This action may seem small, but it's all part of the journey toward uncovering your sitemap. Now here's where it gets a bit technical, but fear not, it's a simple step. In your web browser's address bar with your website's dashboard open, add /sitemap.xml at the end of the URL. This is essentially telling Squarespace's server that you wish to access the XML sitemap of your website. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action prompts Squarespace to process your request, and voila, your website's sitemap will be displayed on your screen. This document is a crucial element for SEO as it helps search engines better crawl and index your site, ultimately improving your site's visibility on search engines like Google. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Squarespace sitemap. Remember, keeping your sitemap accessible and up to date is key to ensuring your website performs well in search engine results. So, take the time to review your sitemap periodically and make any necessary updates to your site's content. That wraps up our guide on how to get your sitemap on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.